Wanted to show you this dry painting before we get started. It turned out so well. I really love the colors on it. And today I am doing a plastic wrap pour, but using light gray as the background. It's actually Payne's gray with white added to it. I did another video where I used a darker background and did the whole canvas in drops, and it looked really ugly, and I ended up wiping it off. And I don't even know if I'm going to show it ever. It was really, really bad. So I'm going to continue with just the droplets in the middle. Not doing the whole thing again, because that was not good. Normally I would paint the canvas the same color, but I didn't think about doing this till just now. So I may have to touch up some spots once it dries. Probably have to touch up quite a bit of it when it dries. And there are little thingies in here. Come on. All right. I'm going to try and get rid of those areas right there. Yeah, I think I'll have to touch the edges up, because right now the edges are wanting to streak. So I'm going to do deep purple. I'm just going to use the same dropper for carmine red. Okay. Now yellow. And people have been asking what the consistency of my paint is, a different consistency with this technique, and it's not. My paints are always mixed on the somewhat thinner side, and they're mixed the same no matter what kind of pour I'm doing. Okay. Now for Prussian blue. And now for blue that has silicone in it. let's hope for the best. So the problem is that the plastic lifted off the paint around the edges. And since I didn't have the canvas painted to the color that I poured, it's not going to dry very well at all. And it is pretty, but we're going to be able to see the canvas through, which is a shame. So I will show you up close what it looks like. From far away it looks great. But you can see where it lifted off the canvas. Right there. So when I try this again, I'm going to have to make sure that I paint the canvas the exact same color as whatever the background color is going to be. Because it's really pretty otherwise. So it's a shame. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.